In our last video, we showed you how to access your XMeye devices on a computer using the VMS software. Today, we're taking the next step. We're going to show you exactly how to playback and find your recorded footage. If you haven't seen that first video yet and need help setting up your devices, don't worry. We've left the link in the description and in the pinned comment below. Also, at the end of this video, we'll add a button you can click or tap to watch it. First, let's open the VMS program. On the login screen, we don't need to change anything. Just click the sign in button. If the auto add window pops up, simply click cancel to close it. Now, to find our footage, we click on the playback button in the main menu. On the right side, we select the camera or cameras we want to check. Next, we need to set the time frame. Select your start time and end time, then click search. The software will now scan the device for any recordings that match our criteria. Once the search is finished, the recorded video files will appear in a list. To watch a recording, just double-click the file you want to play. Once the video starts, you can manage it using the standard playback buttons. We can easily pause, fast-forward, adjust the playback speed, or stop the video whenever we need to. If we need to save a copy to the computer, it's very simple. Select the desired recording and click the download button. After the download is complete, we can click the location button to open the folder where the video file is saved. It's also important to mention that we can play recordings that are already saved on the computer. To do this, simply stop the current playback, click the Open File button, navigate to the folder where your video file is stored, and select it. And that's it. Now you know how to review and export your footage. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to click the video on the screen now if you need to catch up on our first tutorial. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.